everyone, got a 2023 Kia Telluride. I'll show you how to pull out your cabin filter, okay? It'll be located behind your glove box here. So the first thing we're gonna do is open it up. Then we're gonna disconnect this damper that you have here on the side. Okay, so what you're gonna wanna do is pull this pin out. Alright, and it comes out just like that. It's a pull pin. Then you can disconnect the damper. Now we're gonna have to remove these stoppers. Turn them counterclockwise, and you can pull them out. There's gonna be 2 of them. Then the glove box will come down, okay? Now the cabin filter is located in here, and we're gonna need to remove this lid, okay? So to do that, there's these clips we're gonna push in like that, and we're gonna pull the door towards us. Push up, pull the door towards us, and it'll flip open. Here you go with your airflow as far as your filter goes. So notate that it goes down, and here's the filter. I'm just going to pull it out. This car's fairly new, so it's probably not going to need a filter. But if you do, check the description box. I'll have the part number and a link that takes you to Amazon for the new cabin filter. All right, so this one looks pretty good, and I'm going to replace it. We'll put it right back. With one hand because that door wants to fall down on it, but I'll get it. Slip it back in here like so. Just go back and forth, and then you just close the lid. Make sure these snap. Close. Glove box door, and get a stopper, and stick it in there. Let me go ahead and zoom out. There you go. And fall in there counterclockwise. It should lock. Do both sides like that. Go back to the damper here. Put it back down. I'm gonna line up the holes and put the push pin back in. It's easier to go in than it is to come out. And you're pretty much all done. So, hope the video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it if you hit that like button for me, leave me a comment. Hope to see you again in another video.